At Splash Inn, we take the utmost care to ensure that every stay with us is safe, clean, and comfortable. What are we doing at the bed and breakfast? At Splash Inn, we have a rigorous cleaning standard and a strict COVID-19 safety process. Upon a guest leaving, door handles, remotes, and keys are sterilized and the room thoroughly cleaned and prepared for the next guest. The room remains untouched and unvisited until the arrival of the next guest. On arrival, guests will be required to sanitize their hands and have their temperature taken. Sanitizer spray bottles and clean cloths are available in the room, should guests wish to wipe down any surfaces. Hand sanitizers will also be available in common areas such as the breakfast area and welcome table. Our staff play an essential role in how we approach COVID-19. They, and any supplier, receive a temperature check when entering the premises. They wear face masks at all times, and disposable gloves are available. We have also implemented an education process that builds a COVID-19 awareness and supports them in leading a healthy lifestyle. Our breakfasts, be this preparation, serving or clearing, and cleaning, have been designed to protect the wellness of our guests and ensure careful observance to the COVID-19 protocol. These include: no longer serve a communal breakfast. Instead, we have allocated to each breakfast table a butler tray containing a small selection of bottled cereals. Hot plated breakfast will still be served by host. Where possible, we will allocate a table for the person for the duration of the stay. Crockery and cutlery will only be cleared once the last person has finished. Sanitized wipes will be available. And if you've forgotten these essentials, disinfectant sprays, face masks, and hand sanitizers are available for purchase. Our goal is no-touch payment. Guests are encouraged to pay by EFT prior to arrival. An alternate no-touch option is available using Zapper and SnapScan. Checkout. Guests will leave keys in the door and one of the staff members will open the garage door to let them out of the premises. In the event of early departure, guests will be able to drop room keys into an allocated box. We will welcome and say farewell to our guests at Splash Inn with the same warmth and hospitality we have always done. However, it will now be a wave or an air high five.